Sintra is a small town 40 minutes drive from Lisbon, and it was traditionally a summer resort for the Portuguese royal family. It has several historical palaces, castles, parks, and gardens. The most remarkable landmarks include Castle of the Moors, Pena Palace, and Quinta de Regalera. It's really easy to take a day trip to Sintra from Lisbon, either by train or by car. It's almost impossible to visit every landmark in one day, and I chose two of the most remarkable ones. The first one is Pena Palace, a romanticist castle on top of a hill in central mountains. On a clear day, it can easily be seen from Lisbon. During the 1755 Lisbon earthquake, the original monastery was mostly destroyed. Decades later, King Consort Ferdinand acquired the monastery and the surrounding areas and turned it into a palace that serves as the summer palace of the Portuguese royal family. The architectural style is fascinating, with many different exotic elements, including Neo Gothic, Neo Manueline, Indian, and Neo Islamic elements. The interior of the palace is also beautifully designed, covered by colorful tiles. The other fascinating site in Sintra that I visited is Quinta de Regalera, an estate and garden built in the 1800s. It includes a Neo Gothic style palace, a Roman Catholic chapel, and a large garden and park. The highlight of the Quinta de Regalera lies in the extraordinary park, consisting of waterfall lakes, tunnels, and two unique initiatic wells. The larger one contains a 27-meter spiral staircases with several small landings. The wells were used for ceremonial purposes linked to the tarot mysticism. Walking down the well is a spiritual experience, and visitors are not allowed to talk. At the bottom of the well is a maze of tunnels that lead you back to the gardens. Sintra is truly a fairy tale town, perfectly chilled atmosphere, lots of stunning architectures, and vast natural green space. If you travel to Lisbon, highly recommend spending a day here in Sintra.